In this tutorial on VESTA software, I will show you how to create heterostructure of WSe2 and PtSe2 monolayer. So let's go and open the VESTA software. Click on the file, then open. Now in this folder you can find the CIF file for WSe2 and the PtSe2. These CIF files are downloaded from COD website. If you are new to my channel, then please check out my previous video in which I have shown how to download CIF file and also how to get the VESTA software. The links are given in the description box. So let's select the WSe2 CIF file and click on open. So here we can see the unit cell of WSe2. Now go and click on edit data and phase. Here we have CIF file for the WSe2. Change this name as WSe2. Okay. Now click on the import and we have to import PtSe2. So select the CIF file for PtSe2 and click on open. So we got both WSe2 and PtSe2 app. Click apply. So now here we can see both the unit cell which are overlapping with each other, but they are hard to be distinguished from each other. So what we can do, go to the objective, and over here this is the WSe2 and tungsten is shown in a gray color and the Se is shown in the green color. And for PtSe2, the Se is again shown in the green color and Pt is also shown in the same color. So let's change this color to black. Okay. So now we can see there are two unit cells, WSe2 and PtSe2, which are overlapping with each other. Now let's go back and click on the edit. Okay, first do one thing, align them along say A-axis. So this is the unit cell for WSe2 and the black is the unit cell for PtSe2. So go and click on the edit data, phase. And what we need to do is now we need to position the place XYZ of this layer at the XYZ of layer 0 along the C axis. Okay. So how to do that one? You can type a number over here because this is X, Y and Z. So let's type Z as say 7 and apply. So it will help you to position one unit cell over the another unit cell. If you tune this number to 6 and then apply again, then they'll be closed little bit. Now click on OK. Again go to the edit and click on the bond. And in the bond menu you will find for phase 1 WSe2 there is a bond between W and Se. Okay. So over here boundary mode, select the third option, search additional atom and change maximum length to 3 and hit the apply button. So it will help you to create the monolayer or expand this unit cell. Now select the phase number 2 and in this case we don't have any bond over here, so click on the new and it will help you to create the bond between platinum and the Se. So A1 is platinum, A2 is Se, and we have checked the third box. The maximum length is 3. Click again apply. So now we can see the expanded unit cell for PtSe2 as well. So this way we can create the expanded unit cell which look like a monolayer for WSe2 and the PtSe2. But we need to remove these unwanted layers and also the unit cell. How to do that one? Click on the style and then go to the properties. In the properties general section you will see unit cell line. So click on do not show the line, so the line will disappear. Then you can go to the atom. Over here you can find the name for WSe and PT. So you can change the color over here if you want. So right now I don't want to change any color. Here you can also change the radii, atomic, ionic and van der Waals, and you can do some other stuff too. Here I would like to change the material speculator. Okay, so use this one and set it white and let's make shininess to be 100. Okay, now go to the bond and in the bond you will find bond style, unicolor, bicolor, only a single color line. You can change the color over here, gradient line, dotted line or dash line. So I will prefer gradient line. Color line. Okay. Now we need to delete this unwanted layer, right? So how to do that one? Select this white arrow on the left upper corner and select the atom which you don't want to show. So this way we can delete these atoms. Similarly, select these atoms and delete them, and just make it so delete this unwanted atom. Similarly, from the right side and the left side, delete this unwanted atom. Okay. And if you don't want to see this compass, then again you can go to the properties, and over here you can find the label for axis. Show compass, show axis label. If you uncheck this one, it will remove the label. If you uncheck this one, it will remove the compass, and click OK. So this way you can create the heterostructure of WSe2 and PtSe2. Now next step is go and click on the file, and you can save as. So this is WSe2 PtSe2 heterostructure, so that you will be able to open it again whenever you need next time in the same format. So save. Then next step, go and click on file and export as a raster image. So here you can find the file format JPG or PNG and so many other file formats. So let's select the JPG file format and save. It will ask you for the scale. So if you change the scale number, it will change the resolution and the size. So let's keep it as 1 and click OK. Again go click on the file and export raster image, and this time I will select the PNG, and I will show you what is the difference between JPG and PNG. So click on the PNG, save. And this time it will ask you, along with the scale, let the background be transparent. So check this box. It will help you to remove this white background, and click OK. Okay. So let's go back to the download folder, and here you can find the WSe2-PT. This is the heterostructure without any background. That's a transparent background, and over here you will find with the white background. Now let's come back again to the VESTA software, and if you like, select this black arrow. Okay, and if you slightly move this 2D layer, then you can see the atom which are hidden behind those atoms. Okay, so this looks very good. If you click on the view along the B axis, then it will look like this. Okay, and if you click on the view along the C axis, then it looks the hexagonal structure, right? Now let's select the view along A axis and go to the go to the view, and here you will find the option parallel and perspective. So if you click on the perspective, it will change the view. This is the perspective view. Okay, so click on the A or click on the B. So let's click on the A, and if you move slightly, the perspective will change depending on the focus region. So I hope through this video you learn how to draw heterostructure of WSe2 and PtSe2. Like this video and also share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to be updated with my new videos.